welcome to another episode of OtherBuys. Today we've got the Invicta Pro Diver 37mm watch in stainless steel with a black face. So here's the box. Just to let you know, I have already opened this up, tried it on, and seen what it's like inside. So I'll open it up now for you. There we go. So when it came, before I opened it, it had a plastic cover on the face, one underneath and on the strap, and it also came with this tag on, but obviously I took those off because I had to try it on. If you scan that, it takes you to the Invicta website, and then inside here we have a warranty card, so you can fill that out, and then here some more information about the warranty and an instruction booklet. Now, not everything in here is related to the features on the watch. It seems to be more of a generic booklet, but that doesn't bother me too much. So I have got the 37mm one, which is the smaller size, because I've got quite small wrists. So I measured them roughly about 6.25 inches. So 40mm looks a bit big on me. So let's show you the watch. So I had to take out a couple of links to get it to fit. So I took out 3 links, which you can see at the bottom there. So here we go. This is about, I paid £55 for this. It's amazing value, really. The quality is really good. Box is nice. Got foam to rest it on. If you take a couple of links out though, it doesn't fit on that, which is a bit frustrating. So we'll try and take off this little tag. In fact, yeah, let's try and take that off. Got a bit caught. It wasn't caught when I got it because the plastic was stopping it getting trapped between all the links. So to make it smaller, you need to take the links out by pushing them through. So I got a little watch repair kit off Amazon, which is about £10. I'll put a link in the bio, but I'm also going to do a separate video for that. So I took 3 links out, and it fits nicely. So I'll show it you in a sec. So it's a quartz movement, this one. Invicta do automatic movements, but I fancied a quartz one, a little bit cheaper. And I don't wear this kind of watch all the time, so it sort of suits me with the automatic ones, obviously. I've got to get a watch winder. I wear it quite frequently, but it's a Japanese movement. Resistance up to about 20 bar water pressure and 200-meter depth. So you've got a date thing on here. You flick that out, you can change the time. You can't change the date apart from scrolling it all the way around, which is a bit annoying. I know some watches you can click it out a few times, you can change just the date all the time. You can't do that on this one, but you can twist that around. Get it back to the middle, you know, OCD. And you've also been able to micro adjust the strap here. So I'm moving mine that in one. So you can do that with like the end of an earring, like an earring or something small. It's basically spring loaded, so you can do that on the go as well if you need to. So we'll pop this on for you. And you can see what it looks like on my wrist. So if you look, I think that is pretty much the perfect size for me. 6.25 wrist, 37mm. If I got a 40, I really don't think that would fit properly. But yeah, if you like the watch, there's a link in the bio. Invicta Pro Diver 37mm. Get it from Amazon, about £55 for the quartz movement. You do some other colours. So yeah, if you don't like the black, get another colour. If you like this video, please subscribe. And we're also on all the other socials. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Lemonade. So yeah, if you want to get one, follow the link in the bio. Thanks guys.